Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today we're going to talk about maximizing vertical space in your house. So the first thing we want to look at when we're trying to maximize your vertical space is, could we utilize potentially some shelves or even some stackable containers? And what I mean about that, there's actually a really great new line at the Container Store. It's their own line called the Everything Organizer. But their new organizers are now stackable, and a lot of them have drawers. So you can create vertical space either on shelves or maybe up off the floor or even on the floor if that's necessary. But that's actually going to get at my next point. When we do optimize vertical space, we do want to try to get things up off the floor. Getting things on and off the floor is not super convenient, and it also isn't as aesthetically pleasing as if we can shift it up just a little bit. So one thing I want you to look at is maximizing an entire wall. How can you utilize that for storage, things that need to live there? Also consider things that you need to grab every day to be somewhere placed between, mid-shoulder to the top of your head. That's going to be really, really awesome, because then everything you need is in plain sight. You can grab it. You can also put it away. It's very easy, very convenient, and also a system that you can maintain for a long time. So 2 tips today. We're going to maximize that vertical space utilizing stacking containers, and also do your best to try to get things up and off the floor. So take a look at your space, see if you can implement those 2 tips, and I guarantee you're gonna feel so much better. All right, we'll see you next week for more of Just the Tip.